Hey guys, it's Veronica here. So welcome to this week's video. So this week, what I'm gonna show you guys is how to do a bleach cocktail. So what I'm gonna do is with Melinda, she wants to go one level lighter. So going from a level 4 to a level 5. She doesn't want to do a huge bleach service, and it's actually not necessary when we're only going one level. But we do definitely have to use some sort of bleach to pull out some of that pigment because it is colored hair. So what we're gonna do is that we're gonna put this cocktail in. It's gonna pull out enough of the pigment so that we could put the level 5 on, and it's gonna look awesome. So the bleach cocktail is gonna have a third of our wash shampoo, which is very gentle. It has a coconut cleanser that's gonna condition the hair while it's lightening, as well a third of bleach, Blonde Me, and a third of developer, 20 vol. So we now have the bleach cocktail all applied. We apply it just like we would a shampoo, and what we're going to do is we are going to work the bleach cocktail through the hair. So we're going to be emulsifying it into the hair, really working it into the cuticle and allowing this bleach cocktail to pull out that pigment. This is a very visual process in terms of how long you want to process the hair for. You want to carefully watch the hair and make sure to rinse the hair out once you're ready, once you have enough of the pigment washed out. Here you can see now the pigment all pulled out, so we have a pretty raw looking color, but exactly where we want it to be. We have it at a level 5. What we're going to do now is put the color on over top. There you guys have it. That's a super easy way to lift the hair one level. So especially using Nven shampoo, it gives enough conditioning to the hair that it's conditioning the hair while it's lightening. So we were able to pull that pigment out and do a perfect level 5. And it was a really, really quick, easy process to do when your client wants a bit of a change, but not too much. So if you guys have any questions about it, leave a comment below, like, subscribe, and we'll see you next week. Bye.